later, I'm kidding.
In cash, please.
There you go.
I'm not taking a check
No
from
checks.
Lisa.
So Dr. Will Kirby is joining us, and he is a gentleman who's a board-certified dermatologist. He's been in the business a long time. He practices, of course, out in the LA area. We see him on a lot of television shows representing his profession very, very well.
Thank you.
And I must say, he is a walking testament to taking great care of your skin.
I do try to take good care of my skin. 10 years ago, I had skin cancer, and I really made a commitment at that time to
Wow.
and there was nothing fun about it. I had surgery on my leg, but I really practice what I preach, and I love to educate people about great skincare products.
And Dr. Will Kirby is here with a three-piece system that's sold out in its debut. It's just now back, and it's taken us about 5 months to get this back in stock.
Correct.
So this is 3 amazing pieces from Neutrogena Dermatologics, which is a line of Neutrogena that is separate from their original line you're probably familiar with. This is a line that is heavily science-based, done with the best researchers, the best scientists, the best doctors, the best dermatologists, and it is something that is very, very difficult to find. So we are so excited because you're getting, number 1, this is the Retinol NX Concentrated Retinol Serum. This won 2011 QVC Customer Choice Beauty winner for Best Anti-Aging Serum.
Correct.
Love that. We also have the Retinol Eye Cream, made to address 6 signs of aging. We all know how important retinol is. It's very difficult to find one for around the eye. And then, of course, we have the hand, neck, and Decollete Treatment. This alone is $77, and you're getting all 3 of these. This alone, $77, all 3 for 2 payments of $64 and change, free shipping and handling on that one, which is amazing. So it's obvious, of course, why it sold out in the first place. But talk about the basis of the line. We talk about retinol. How important is that?
Retinol is an imperative part of the anti-aging process, and I always tell everybody, let's keep your process simple, let's keep your routine simple, let's keep your regimen simple so that it works for you. Number 1 anti-aging ingredient in the dermatological community, stabilized retinol, gold standard ingredient, and these are our 3 best retinol products, 3 best-selling products.
And I think what's amazing is a lot of us we've heard of retinols, we're not sure how to use them, we've heard horror stories, I know it's good, but I don't want to end up with my skin falling off my face and blah, blah, blah. So this is something that is formulated with the help of dermatologists and doctors to really be effective and to be something you can use, right?
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. There's a lot of misconceptions about retinol because the technology really took a major jump in the last few years. This is stabilized retinol, and it's, once again, the number 1 anti-aging ingredient, gold standard. And if you don't believe me, look at the medical literature, ask your own dermatologist, or ask your own friends and family about the clinical results they experienced, because there's a reason why it was the 2011 QVC Consumer Choice Award winner for Best Anti-Aging Treatment. It obviously works very, very well.
And here you're getting all 3. Then I think that's amazing. If you already love that amazing Retinol NX serum, you know, that won the award, you already love that, using that every day, doesn't it make sense to take the popularity of that and the success of that and go, you know what am I aging first on in my body? I think a lot of times we say the eye. So to have a retinol that is specifically designed for around the eye is very difficult.
That's correct, and it's dermatologist tested, and it's also ophthalmologist tested. And we have a beautiful before and after picture. If I could pull that up here, let's go clockwise around the picture. This is an 8-week photograph, and if you look at the upper lid, you see a really, really nice correction on that upper brow, upper lid area. But as you go around, you continue to see that improvement. The crow's feet is improved. The lines of expression, the under eye creases, the dark circles under the eye, even dryness appears improved. So to have an honest conversation with yourself, you know, in the privacy of your own home, take a look at your skin and say, am I one of those people that is experiencing those signs of aging around the eye? And if you are, then you absolutely should use a stabilized retinol in that area.
But again, very, very unusual to find a retinol for around the eye. It's important that it's stabilized. It's important that it's formulated by people that know what they're doing.
Absolutely.
And that's exactly what you're getting in this one. And these are all full sizes.
Correct.
In this, so it's an amazing, amazing value. When you think about the fact that in a lot of cases, you know, there are single beauty items that cost a lot more than all these 3 together. This is all 3 of these. And then we have the hand, the neck, and the décolleté. And you said when women come into your office, what's one way that you tell their age?
Well, I play a little trick, which is when women come in, I tell them not to tell me their age, but let me see your hands. And I usually can predict how old they are based on the back of their hands, because women do a great job. It is. Women do a great job taking care of their face, but they really neglect the hands, the upper chest area, the décolletage, the upper neck area. Phenomenal product. The luxurious formulation has that same stabilized retinol in it, but it's formulated for that specific skin in those 3 areas. So it's almost as though that product alone is 3 products in one.
And again, when we talk about retinol, when you say the 2 things that are the most important for us in our anti-aging skincare. They are what?
Sunscreen and stabilized retinol, bar none. There's no discussion. It's not a negotiation.
And this is what every dermatologist will tell you. Every professional anti-aging.
Sunscreen and stabilized retinol. What do retinols do? They make your skin more supple, more softer, smoother, improve the radiancy of your skin. So there's clinical things that you can see in the course of just a few short weeks. And then when we talk about the other products, particularly what's in the serum, Tetrol E firms, tightens, restores elasticity. These are results that you'll notice and your friends will comment on.
And I do think that there are a lot of things that are out in the market that are great ideas for your skin. I think retinol is one that really gives you visible differences.
Of course.
You know, retinol's the one that you can add other things to, but you have to have, right?
If you're not using a sunscreen during the day and you're not using a retinol at night, you're doing your skin a disservice. You're really not using the right products on your skin. And you can always get more complicated. You can always add other products.
Right.
But once your base of your skin looks great, then it's easy to, what I tell people is accessorize. Then you can add makeup, then you can add jewelry, then you can add clothing.
Right.
But I'm biased. I think the most beautiful part of a woman's body is her skin. And when the skin looks great, everything else falls into place.
And now you have the serum for the face, you have that amazing retinol for the eye, you have that amazing retinol for your neck, your chest, the back of your hands. If your face looks great and your neck is falling, no one's fooled. They're right next to each other. You can see them at once. It's not really complicated. That décolleté area, that chest area where you want to wear pretty necklines and you want to wear great jewelry and you don't want it to give away your age, that can continue to look beautiful for years and years. If you take care of it, you can make a big difference,
well, absolutely.
Right?
This kit is for people who want to enter the anti-aging market. They don't know what products to use. They feel like there's a lot of confusion out there and they want some instruction. It's an easy way for those people to enter. But it's also for people who already do a great job taking care of their skin and they really want to take it to the next level and use that cutting-edge technology that they might be ignoring by not having that #1 gold standard anti-aging ingredient of stabilized retinol.
So I think in a lot of cases, when you think about what do I start with no matter what else I have, definitely think of retinol. You want a retinol that is designed with doctors.
Absolutely.
You want a retinol that's gotten amazing results. And you want a retinol that's going to give you results, but something you can afford to buy. You're getting all 3 pieces for 2 payments of $64 and change. Normally, just this is $77.
It's an incredible value, the entire kit.
It's an incredible value. Free shipping and handling, because we really want to make sure that this is something you start your new year out right with. Get your skin together, get it on Easy Pay, get it with free shipping and handling, and you always have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Will, thank you so much.
Oh, the pleasure's always mine.
Kirby,
thank you very, very
always
much.
Great seeing you.
Great,
Thank you
great
so much.